Hey guys, this is DIPU. Welcome to another episode of Tech Lab Tutorials. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please press the subscribe button. It means a lot. In today's episode of Tech Lab Tutorials, we are going to learn how to make partitions of your hard drive or SSD inside Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, go to your desktop, click right button on your computer and click manage, and then go to disk management. Right click the partition or hard drive you want to make partition of and press shrink. Then enter the amount of your desired partition and press shrink. Then right click on the shrinked volume, which is in the black, and press next and give it a drive level. I'm going to set it to test partition, and it will format automatically, and a new drive has been created. And then open up your computer and see the drive is ready to use. You have learned how you can shrink a partition and make another partition out of it. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can extend a partition from a unallocated space. Open up the console again and right click on the partition you want to delete and press delete volume. Then it will turn black and become unallocated space. Now we can extend our desired partition with this unallocated space. Right click on the desired partition, extend volume, then next, then finish, and it's done. Our partition is extended. Now open up your computer and see our test partition is gone and we have successfully extended our gaming drive. So guys, that was all for today. In this video you have learned how you can shrink or extend a partition of your hard drive or SSD. Don't forget to like if you like this video. Also leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next one.